In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Zoom meeting. Whether you're attending a virtual class, a business meeting, or catching up with friends, joining a meeting on Zoom is a straightforward process. Let's walk through the steps together in this quick and easy guide. First, you'll need to open the Zoom app on your device. If you don't have it installed yet, you can download it from the official Zoom website or your device's app store. Alternatively, you can also join directly through the Zoom website. This flexibility allows you to join from virtually any device with an internet connection, whether it's a smartphone, tablet, or computer. Once you have Zoom open, look for the button that says Join a Meeting. This is usually prominently displayed on the home screen. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter the meeting ID. Now, the meeting ID is a unique 9 to 11 digit number provided to you by the meeting host. Double check this number to ensure accuracy and avoid joining the wrong meeting. After you've entered the meeting ID, it's time to type in your display name. This is the name that will be visible to other participants in the meeting. Choose a name that the host and other participants will recognize. Next, you'll see options for audio and video preferences. Decide whether you want to join with your video on or off and select your preferred audio setting. If you're in a noisy environment, you might want to join audio on mute, especially if you're joining a large meeting. Now, it's as simple as clicking the Join button. If the meeting is secured with a password, you'll be prompted at this point to enter it. The host should have provided this password along with the invitation. It's important to enter it correctly to gain access to the meeting. Once you've entered the password, you might encounter a waiting room, a virtual holding area where the host manages entries into the meeting. If the meeting has this feature, all you need to do is wait for the host to admit you. This security measure ensures the meeting remains secure and free from uninvited guests. And that's it. You're now all set to participate in the Zoom meeting. Joining a Zoom meeting is really just a few clicks away. Familiarity with these simple steps can help you connect and engage more effectively with others in our increasingly digital world. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make your next Zoom experience a smooth one.